Welcome to our Telementoring web application walkthrough video. This Telementoring application is meant to support remote trainers when providing instructions to a working trainee while performing surgery. A trainee surgeon opens the application from the operating room. You, a remote trainer, open the application from your office computer. Both trainer and trainee see the live endoscope video in the center. On the right, they can manage their two-way audio and video connection. Managing two-way audio and video. To turn off your audio, use the mute button on the left corner of your video. To turn off your video, use the camera button on the right corner of your video. You will now see a demo of the system and later a walkthrough on how to perform each functionality. As a trainer, your view will always be on the left, while the trainee's view will always be on the right. Let's start with pointing and annotating. You can point and annotate on top of your video. Pointing and annotating are synchronized on the trainee's view. You can later delete annotations. Let's now move to manipulating the view. You can manipulate your view by zooming, panning, and rotating. As your view changes, the trainee is aware of the area that you see through a viewport, defined by a green rectangle which represents your current view. Lastly, you can click on a button to present your view to the trainee. Now the trainee sees the same view as you see while you pan, zoom, and rotate. Again, both views are synchronized when you zoom, pan, and rotate. Functionality walkthrough. Now that you have seen a demo of the system, you will see a walkthrough on how to perform each functionality. There are two main sets of functionalities for you, the trainer: pointing and annotating, and manipulating the view. Pointing and annotating. To point, move your cursor on top of the live endoscope video. The remote trainee will see this movement in real time. To draw annotations, click and hold the left mouse button and move the mouse. The annotation appears in real time on the trainee screen. To delete your last annotation, click the back button. To delete all your annotations, click the X button. Manipulating the view. You can manipulate the view for two purposes: to explore the surgical video and to show the trainee the area that you're viewing. To zoom, use the zoom out and in buttons. When zooming in, the viewport on the trainee side moves inwards to represent your current view. When zooming out, it moves outwards. You can also use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out. To rotate, use the rotate left and right buttons. When rotating, the viewport on the trainee side rotates to represent your current view. You can also click the right mouse button and move the mouse to rotate the view. To pan the view, push Shift and move the mouse. When you have zoomed or rotated the view, panning is allowed. To reset all operations on the view, use the Reset button. Presenting the view. You can also present your view to show your manipulations live as you perform them. To start presenting the view, click the Presentation button. The same button stops presenting the view.